at these amazing mountains here in Railay Beach. Look how beautiful this beach. You cannot escape here because look! Look how beautiful this beach. All I can say that very beautiful, especially if there is sunshine. But everyone, I'm gonna tell you that there is no escape here. You cannot escape here because look, the mountain, the beach is surrounded by the mountain. You will be trapped here and you're gonna live here forever if there is no boat anymore.
So how did you get here?
We used the boat first. We bought the ticket.
How much was the ticket?
You have to pay 200 per person, 200 baht per person, and then they will send you here
And back?
and then when we come back we have to pay again.
No.
Yeah, so
Okay.
200 baht per person. If there is sun, look, this is the most popular beach, one of the most popular beach here in KRABI, Railay Beach. And it's shallow. Yeah, and then we will come back. They have nice stands though here. And there are restaurants, resort over there, Sun Sea Resort. But I'm gonna tell you that there is no escape here. You cannot escape here. Where? Which way? Nothing. So it's more on mountain, so you have to
Only by boat.
only boats. Only boats can. Yeah. Kayaking?
Let's go.
What if we don't have that?
Then you can't escape.
And aside from that, this is crowded place. So many boats, long tail boats, right? for everything. And which boat? When we go back there, which boat? Huh? Okay. This would be nice if there are sun. Rocks?
The end.
Okay. And in the boat, they drive so fast. They drive so fast, right? See? I told you they drive so fast. Look, so many people. Beautiful Railay Beach. There are many kids.
Sand is really
Yeah. Wow! Yeah! It's soft! Maybe the cave is there.
I'll do the drone quickly and then we'll go on up. But we have to go through to the other beach.
Look
Huge,
at
huh?
this. climbing school. Here, I'm gonna show KRABI Railay Beach.